These are 5 unique tips for walking Camino de Santiago. First one is that you take a picture of yourself in the morning before starting to walk the Camino. Like that you'll know when you started to walk, and also you have at least one picture of yourself for every day of Camino. And also you'll be able to see how you change, how your expression changed during all the Camino. Tip number 2 is that you take a copy of your ID with yourself. Like that when you come to albergue, because you have to always show your ID that they document you, you take the copy out, because always you have to take it out and put it back in. You can lose it, but if you have a copy, you lose copy and you still have your original one, and like that you have original one somewhere safe. The third one is that you have clothes bags to dry clothes, and also you have a rope. Like that you have everything what you need that you can dry your clothes, because sometimes when you arrive in albergue, everything is already occupied and you don't have any space to dry your things, and like that if you have your own, you always have some backup. The fourth thing is that you take Ziplock bags. Some of them, they're super light, let's say, and like that if you need to put something inside that it will be dry, if it will be rainy, and that it keep it dry, you have little bags. Usually I put inside the credentials and some papers that I get along. And the fifth one is that before you started to walk every day, before you leave the albergue, you drink as much water as you can, or as much as you feel comfortable. Like that you don't need to take all that water with you. You can reduce a little bit reduce a weight of your backpack. And these are 5 tips that may help you. Buen camino, and see you next time.